Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lobster tail Jamaican-style, full guide. Butterfly each lobster tail, then lift and pull the meat through the shell so it sits atop the shell evenly. Pat dry, score the meat, and apply a thin coat of oil to help the jerk seasoning adhere. Work gently to avoid tearing the meat, and set tails on a tray while you finish the seasoning and heat the grill or oven. Make a vibrant jerk seasoning by blending allspice, fresh thyme, scallions, garlic, ginger, and 1 Scotch bonnet pepper for heat. Stir in soy sauce, brown sugar, and lime juice to create a sticky, flavorful paste. Taste a tiny smear and adjust spiciness or salt as needed, remembering shellfish can handle bold flavors. Rub the paste evenly over the lobster meat and let it rest briefly so the flavors begin to meld before cooking. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more tasty guides. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great and your road trips pleasant. I linked it and other deals in the description so you can check them out if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Preheat your grill or broiler to high heat and place lobster tails meat side up for even cooking and char. Cook for roughly 8 to 10 minutes, basting once with garlic and butter near the end to add gloss and richness. Watch closely so the shells char lightly, but the meat never overcooks. It should feel firm and opaque with a slight give. Rest briefly before serving to let juices redistribute for tender bites.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.